Hello, it's Matt from Black Coal Woodworking. Welcome back. I'm making a platter today. It's about 10 1/4 inches across, and it is made out of walnut. I'm using a 1/2 inch spindle gouge to get this thing around. Took about 2 minutes to get that part done. I'll show you from a different view. This way I'm using kind of a shear cut where I use the right wing of the tool near the point to get a very clean cut. After getting this guy round, I'm still using the 1/2 inch spindle gouge to face the bottom off using the left wing of the tool. And then I'm rounding the bottom corner. I want it to be a nice, easier way to lift off the table. I took the bulk of the wood out with that 1/2 inch spindle gouge and then switched over to the 1 inch flat scraper. For the foot of this guy, I'm using my 4-inch jaws. I marked it out with my caliper and used the corner of my flat scraper to create a recess and then slowly rotate the tool in so I don't take a big hunk of wood all at once. After setting my tenon, I decided to give it a bit of a foot. I did the same thing by easing one of the corners of the flat scraper into the wood and then rotating the tool to get the rest of the wood on the bottom flat. This will allow the platter to sit on the outer rim only. Apparently it was experiment day here in the shop and I'm using the 1/2 inch spindle gouge to hollow out the platter. Last time I tried this with the bowl gouge, I must have done something wrong and it just seemed to take forever, so I figured I would try it with the spindle gouge a bit. I did eventually flip to the 1/2 inch bowl gouge, as you see here. Turns out I needed to go even deeper, and it just seemed to work really well this time. Oh no, I skated. Oh well, at least it's on the inside that I'm going to cut away anyway. We just got past winter. I don't know why I want to talk about skating, but it happens. Anyone on a lathe has probably experienced that. You always hope it doesn't happen on the good side. If you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. If I've earned it, consider subscribing. This is one of the last cuts I'm making now with the 1/2 inch bowl gouge. I've got the thickness I want, and now it's time to flatten the bottom. I've flipped back to the 1-inch flat scraper with a fresh grind on it, and I'm just using it to really find all the high spots and make them flat. I found the best way to flatten that bottom is to nibble away at it and not use the full width of the scraper. That's just way too much wood and I end up bogging down the lathe. One last little cleanup in the middle there and I think we're going to be done. I will sand, but you won't see it. Here come the beauty shots. This is the platter on its own, and then I figured I'd dress it up a little. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I sure did. I'll see you guys next time.